Tired of fumbling around trying to find your XRP address on Binance? Let's unlock that crypto mystery in just 90 seconds. First things first, head over to Binance and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the wallet option at the top of the screen. It's usually located in the navigation bar, and give that a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Fiat and Spot. This will take you to your main wallet page where you can see all of your crypto holdings. Now, in the search bar located above your list of assets, type in XRP. This will filter the list and quickly locate your XRP wallet. Once you found XRP in the list, look to the right side of the row, and you'll see a few options. Click on the deposit button. A new window will pop up here. You'll see options for the network. Make sure that XRP is already selected. Using the wrong network could result in lost funds, so double check it is correct. And there you have it. Your XRP address and destination tag are now displayed. The address is a long string of characters that identifies your specific XRP wallet on Binance. Always copy and paste both the address and destination tag, and double check them before sending any XRP. The destination tag is crucial for Binance to properly credit the deposit to your account. Remember, always double check the address and destination tag before initiating any transfer. Entering incorrect information could result in permanent loss of your funds. Crypto transactions are irreversible, and that's how you find your XRP address on Binance. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more crypto guides. Happy trading.